Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all missed me because I missed you. So anywho, today I'm giving y'all Dora vibes. What am I saying? Today I am giving y'all Dora vibes. I really enjoy creating this look. I thought of this right before I sat in front of the camera and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that. I'm giving you a little glitter. Can y'all see it? I hope y'all can. In my tear duct cut crease line color liner. I used NYX today. I gave y'all the works today and it was very simple to create actually. So if you feel like trying it, if you want to try it, please tag me. If it's on Instagram, Facebook, please tag me so I could see your recreations of my work. I didn't thought my phone was ringing. I didn't tell y'all what lashes I used, but it was some cheap lashes. Look, $1.49 from the beauty supply store. Y'all don't have to go and spend $10-20 on some freaking lashes, y'all, when y'all can hit your local beauty supply store up. And some of the lashes that them people be selling be at the beauty supply store. Honey, I'm not giving you $20. No ma'am. But let's stop rambling. Let's get into this look. I hope you all enjoy it. If you already like the way it looks, thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel and tell me you're excited to see how I created it down below in the comments. Y'all, anywho, let's get into this tutorial. Gonna start off by moisturizing my face with the Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion from Clinique. I'm not gonna use too much because I do get oily in my T-zone. I'm doing my brows. I'm gonna speed through these because I normally don't record them, but since I already hit record on the camera, you get to see brows today. I'm going to be using the Ultimate Brow Palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be combining these two colors right here. I think I've done this on camera before, but just in case I haven't, or if you have not seen it before, those are the two colors that I'm going to be using. I normally go across the top part of my brows to define them more, but I'm gonna wait to do that with my foundation because my concealer is definitely a little bit lighter because I do have a tan at the moment, so I don't want to make myself look like a hot mess. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I must not know what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm gonna use this at this is NYX Jumbo Pencil. I have not used this in for freaking ever, but I'm gonna go back to it to see if it's going to make these colors pop today, honey. So it's the Milk NYX Jumbo Pencil. I'm probably not gonna apply too much because I ain't used it in a minute and I don't remember exactly how I liked it then, and you know what I like then I may not like now, so we gonna see, you guys. We gonna see how this works for me. And now I'm going into the Juvia's palette and using this color right here, cream, at the top in my crease. Okay, I'm going to use a fluffy brush from Lancome. This is number 17, if you all would like to know. I did not set the NYX pencil, so let's hope that everything works out. Let's pray. The next shade that I will be going into is also from, well, not from the same palette, but from Juvia's Place. It's the Festival palette, and I'm taking Irie. We're gonna say that's the name of it, and it's in the middle right here, that pink. And I'm going right under the first pink that I used. Y'all, I just came up with this look right before I sat down, so however it comes out because nobody really knows what I'm going for. And that's it for my crease, y'all. I know y'all used to me doing too much with my crease, but today that is going to be it. I'm trying to see if I'm going to cut my crease with this NYX pencil or go with concealer. I think I'm gonna try the NYX pencil. Ooh, yeah, let's take a moment of silence. I hope this works. I really do, because I've never done it. And I gotta find a brush. Well, I'm just gonna use the same concealer brush because that's what I blended it out with, and it should still work the same. Oh Lord, I'm so scared, y'all. I ain't never. Well, how about this? This is what I'm gonna do after I get this piece of brush. I'm gonna put it on my eye and blend it out. And before we go any further, I don't want to do this eye yet until I put the color on top of this one. I'm taking the Zulu palette from Juvia, and I'm going into that yellow right there. I'm gonna go into the NYX Vivid Brights and Vivid Blossom Stuttering. I'm gonna go across the crease with that. If you cannot see it, I apologize. I have to get really close to this mirror. I don't know what to say, but I'm gonna show you guys when I finish it so you can see it's just gonna be a line. It's just tracing across the top of my cut crease, and then I'll be right back with you guys. This is how it's looking so far, you guys. Right now I'm gonna take the time to go and do my face. I'm gonna come back to my eyes. I don't want you to think it's complete by a long shot because I have some more in store for you guys that you're gonna really enjoy, but I think so far it's looking so good. But let's move on to the face. So I'm combining foundations today because I'm in between both. This one is a little still too dark, and this one is too light now that I have a tan. So I'm going to combine these two and see how it turns out. For concealer, I'm going to use my Epsom concealer from Lancome. The number is washed off. I'm thinking it say 320 medium bisque, but it is faded now, so. Anyways, before I get upset, I'm going to use the black opal foundation stick and chocolate to contour. Okay, now coming back to the eyes. Let me see if I'm finished with that part. I'm going to take this glitter right here. Let me see if it's recording still. I'm going to take this glitter that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to apply that with the NYX glitter primer. Let me find a brush. I'm going to take first this color. Okay, y'all, I am back. My lashes are applied and they're sticking as we speak. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette from Juvia, and I'm going to take this color right here, and that I'm going to see if it's going to work as my highlighter because I wanted something that reflected kind of pink, and this is what it looks like. So let's see if it does me some good. You know what? I did not put no blush on. I forgot. Okay, y'all, so I decided to change the lip, and I did a pink and yellow lip. So I think this looks a lot better with this look than the other one did before, and I was trying it with that dip anyways. Let me see. If y'all get me all the way in there. Yes, yes. Okay, so this completes this look. What I used to create this lip was the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And you can create anything with this dang on palette. Like, it's worth it. So go get it. It's an old palette, but it's still worth it if you're like in the beauty industry and you have clients and you don't want to have to apply the same lipstick to their lips, because that's unsanitary. Do not do that. Do not use the same lipstick on different clients, period. Yeah, the look, we're gonna call this Dora vibes, because I realized that I was giving y'all Dora vibes when I was taking my picture from the last one. But I hope y'all really enjoyed this look. This was Spirit of the Moment creation, and I really enjoyed it. And I think I stepped outside my comfort zone a little bit, but I am definitely happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you are too. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you think and what you are expecting from my channel, because I would like your input as well. If there's something that you would like to see me do, let me know. I don't know if I said it, but I'm gonna say it again. Thumbs this video up, turn on your notification, your bell notification thingy, whatever that is, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Also, I want you all to check out Mask Productions. This is the music that I use in my video. I'm gonna link that channel down below. Any music that I've been using lately is from Mask Productions. So go check out that YouTube page, and like I said, I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Peace.